Weathering the financial storm, where you and I currently are right now, is going to require some different thinking. I'm seeing a lot of desperation in the market today. When I look at financial snapshots of thousands of clients, they've all got a massive mortgage, their income has not gone up, but the cost of living has almost doubled in the last 3 years. That's a pretty dire situation. How do I change that up? How do I weather this financial storm? Well, that's the essence of More Than Money. What strategies, what asset classes are available to me? How do I open that dialogue, Mark? How do I get really good at tracking a stock? How do I get really good at working with crypto? How do I understand debentures? When am I looking at an exotic debenture? How do I know it's going to work for me? What sort of return do I get? They are all the topics. They are all the groundswell topics you and I will be covering in More Than Money. It's having a hard look at what opportunities are available to me and how do I push in and exploit those.